how are you doing? I hope you're doing great and you're also keeping safe. I'm also doing good. So, today I'll be doing unboxing of something new that I bought a few weeks ago, and I hope it will really help in making better videos and improving on the sound. I'm really trying to invest on better sound. So let's get to it right away. Thank you. So in here I have a few items, and I have this, and I have this. So let's get to unboxing. The items I'm about to unbox, I bought them at Cameras Kenya. It's in Nairobi CBD along Kenyatta Avenue. I will leave their Instagram handle in the description box. This is my complimentary Canon Academy training voucher. This is my warranty. The warranty is for 2 years. And then here is a receipt of the total cost of everything, which was roughly 62,000 Kenyan shillings. That's like 620 US dollars. And then here is a Canon manual for EOS M50 series. This is a charger for charging my camera's battery. This is a strap for my camera, which I can put around my neck when filming and moving around. I also have a lens that came with the camera. It's an image stabilizer between 15 to 45 millimeters. I love that the lens came covered on both sides so as to avoid getting scratches. There you go. And then, ta-da! Then here is the camera itself. I love how small and lightweight it is. On top is a place where you can mount your mic. Then that's where you place your lens. It's a mirrorless camera, so the noise is not there when maybe taking pictures, so we know that shutter sound. Love that you can flip this camera in any direction that you like, so as to take and maybe have a look at what you're taking pictures of also. I love this feature about this camera. When you flip, you can also be able to see the videos that you're taking, have a look at them and see if they're okay before maybe filming and editing using them. You can also flip it back to a normal camera. Here we have something that holds the battery when you're charging it. Then we have the battery. So I will just demonstrate how to go about this. First, remove the white part that is covering the battery and then put the battery into the place where it's supposed to be when charging. Insert or connect the cable first, then leave the battery to charge. Connect your charger to a power source. The battery is fully charged when it turns to green instead of orange. I tried getting these straps into the camera, but I couldn't get to do it. Believe you may not, I had to go to YouTube and get a video that shows how to insert the straps to your camera. Well, guess we learn every day. My first trial was total epic fail. Let's get to see what is in the bag that I have now. I have a mini tripod. I was lucky enough to get it for free after buying the camera. Then I also have a Rode microphone, which I got for free too. That's the package that comes with getting the camera. I had to buy the SD card though, which is 64 GBs. Loving the red theme on the inside part of the bag. Looks so lovely. Also had to buy the bag. Of course it comes with the straps that I'm putting on this bag. So that's exactly how I'm about to start to roll. It's about time to unbox the Rode mic. The fur on the mic reminds me of the Don't Rush challenge. The mic could have been perfect for blocking and unblocking the camera after applying makeup. Clearly, that's a sign I do not own a single makeup brush. Shh, don't tell the secret. It's now time to mount the mic on the camera. So that's the slot for inserting the mic to the camera. Insert battery in the provided slot. Time to insert the lens. Insert the SD card in the provided slot. Time to now connect the mini tripod to the camera. you today. Thank you so much for watching. For all the people who always come back to watch my videos, I'm so thankful for that. For anyone who is watching for the first time or you've been watching but you've never subscribed, kindly do subscribe, please. Thank you. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.